On the legendary day of November 24th, 2022, NASA made history. I bet you didn't know about that, did you? So we're gonna back it up a bit. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test was created and developed by Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory located at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The construction was overseen by NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or also known as DART, began its construction in 2017. 2 years later, in 2019, DART was finished. Did you keep up with all that so far? No? Well, that's too bad. Let's continue. DART is the world's first demonstration of asteroid deflection technology. You heard that right. The world's first, so congrats to those guys. DART was created to see if we could divert an asteroid in case one day an asteroid is headed towards Earth. The asteroid in question was Moonlit Dimorphos, a small celestial object 530 feet in diameter. Dimorphos orbits Didymos, a larger asteroid measuring at 2,560 feet. But if you're definitely afraid of going out the way our good dinosaur friends did about 66 million years ago, don't fret because we have a solution. DART was kinetic impactor spacecraft that weighed about 1,260 pounds, which I can easily lift.
You go hit it one time now. One time.
Anyways, DART is shaped like a vending machine, so just imagine a vending machine flying through space, going about 14,000 miles per hour. Except instead of releasing expired candy bars and stale chips, this vending machine is releasing right hooks right into the asteroid Moonlit Dimorphos. DART used a system called Draco combined with smart nav algorithms to distinguish between the two asteroids and correctly spot its target. DART traveled for over 10 months before making its intentional collision with Dimorphos. 15 days before impact, DART's CubeSat companion Light Italian took a picture from the spacecraft of the asteroid. This technology is provided by the Italian Space Agency. It allowed researchers to see what the asteroid looked like before and after the knockout of the century. So after the collision, what did NASA conclude? Beside the fact that DART sounds like an obsessed ex with a tendency to scare off anyone new you try to talk to, NASA studied the time it took Dimorphos to orbit Didymos. Due to the collision and ejecta, which is all the asteroid debris that was launched into space, DART was able to speed up Dimorphos' orbit. Researchers expected the collision to impact the asteroid by 1%, which would be a 10-minute difference. Before the collision, it took Dimorphos 11 hours and 55 minutes to orbit Didymos. But after that, it shorted the time down 32 minutes. Could you imagine walking to class and being able to give someone a good slap in the head so they could pick up the pace? Just me? Anyways, both Dimorphos and Didymos possessed no threat to Earth before and after the collision, so we don't have to worry about those guys getting their licks back. This mission was able to prove how we are able to deflect and change the speed of celestial objects in our solar system. Though this mission was a success, there's definitely more research that needs to be done. It's great that our Mike Tyson vending machine was able to get a good hit on Dimorphos, but we still need to research our ability to deflect a much larger and stronger asteroid. So basically, I lied. If you are deathly afraid of reliving the dinosaur's fate, then I suggest you better keep your guard up.